Hi friends, all the members of the alumni community of BIMTECH. Your institute is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which is 75th anniversary year of India's independence. On Saturday, 26th November, we shall look forward to welcome you at BIMTECH campus Greater Noida for celebrating the annual alumni meet Reflections 2022, and the theme will be celebrating India's diversity. There will be a lot of fun, lot of celebrations, and there will be ample opportunity to meet your batchmates, your peer group from the alumni community. I will invite all of you, kindly join with your family and friends. Give a big support to the movement of alumni in the year of India's Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav.